Tira. Forza. Adagio. Insieme, dai.
Pull the stone. Heave, make the path strong.
Forza, tirate la corde.
Deeper on this side. Keep the edges clean. Move those stones faster.
Pull harder of the ropes.
Watch the stone. Keep it steady. And Hev, hoist it up now, gently.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho!
And heave. And heave. Hold it steady now. Heave. Lower it away. Hold it steady now. Heave. Push now. All right, heave.
Steady, steady now.
Tap it down tight. Pull the ropes. Heave.
Steady, watch the rollers.
We need more mortar at the base.
All right, men. Lift together now.
Steady, don't let it slip.
We need to adjust the ramp over there. Forza, tirate.
Piano con la piano, piano.
Forza, tirate. 3.
Piano, piano, spingete più forte a sinistra.
Va bene così, è allineato. Forza, il prossimo.
Heave. Lift it slowly. Watch the rope there. Again, all together now.
And pull! Heave! Hold it steady! Heave! And pull!
A small shim here, carefully now.
Yes, master. Tapping lightly.
Good, it is perfectly plumb.
Forza, tirate!
Piana, forza avanti! 1, 2, tira forte!
Look, it shifts to the south. We must mark this spot.
Heave. Bring the rollers over here.
Forza, tirate più forte!
Piano, piano, attenzione al blocco. Spingete a destra.
Push harder on the left.
All right, steady, steady. Lower it down.
Heave! Pull the rope! Watch the dog! Steady now!
Heave.
Watch the angle.
Lower it gently into the mortar.
Più peso a nord. Presto, dobbiamo correggere.
Sì, signore. Forza!
Steady with the ropes. Watch the alignment, it's shifting. Lower it gently onto the curve.
Pull hard on the ropes! Heave!
Watch the alignment of the curve. Secure it tightly.
Forza uomini! Su, su! Piano, adesso! Ferma! Bene! Alza, alza! Più forza!
Piano, piano, piano.
All right, heave. Pull together now. Watch the ropes up there.
Pull together, men! Watch the east rope! Slowly, slowly! Heave!
Pull now, pull, heave. Pull.
Up, up, steady!